everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Thunrlge, and today we are going to be reviewing these tablets. Let's go and get right into this. So as you can see, I got 3 different colors. I got a blue one, a red one, and a pink one. They all do come with the little straps. They took theirs off. She still has hers on. And it has a charger that it comes with and a brick. Do you guys like them?
Yeah.
So what's your favorite thing to do on the tablets?
Monopoly Go.
Geometry
Dash. I like animal games.
You like animal games? So this has actually kept them pretty busy, like if we're out and about and there's nothing to do. They really do enjoy playing them. I don't let them play on them all day long. I give them about an hour a day. But they're just great if you're taking like road trips or anything like that. You can download games and everything. Let me go ahead and show what the main screen looks like. So this is what the home screen looks like on these tablets. You can see you have all these different games and stuff that you can download. It also has YouTube. It has Google Chrome. You can go right there. And you can also do videos and pictures. So you can see if you go up, it'll have all the different apps and stuff that you have, which is a lot. This is what the back looks like. It does have a back camera as well, along with the front camera. And then it does have this so that you can set it up when you are playing things like that.